Comes Boo Boo running head start. Watch out, Lydia, you gotta be careful. You don't swing that Boo Boo's around. You having fun, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright. You're Bert and Ernie?
Yeah.
Alright, Lydia, stop. Let Boo Boo jump in. Go ahead, Boo Boo, jump. Alright. Cool. Hi, baby. Lydia, what is today?
My birthday.
How old are you?
4.
And did you have fun at your party?
Yeah.
What was your favorite present?
The
The hula hoop is a good one. Let me see you do. What else did you like? And the talking thing?
Yeah.
What talk? What else? Your Elmo shirt? Alright, look here. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say adios.
Adios.